Let's now tell you what exactly AI Summit in the National Capital is doing. It's showing you the kind of opportunities that are out there. If you're driving a car and you need any kind of assistance, then this is exactly what those kind of AI products will be doing. Making the roads safer, making the vehicle safer for those who are driving, for the driver itself. That has been the main focus of what we are seeing at the moment. Let me tell you what this vehicle exactly is doing. There is an AI assistant in the vehicle. How do you start it? You start by pressing your thumb.
Hi, Abhishek. It's great to see you again. Hello, how may I assist you? Sure, starting journey from airport to Bharat Mandapam.
What you are seeing now is starting from the airport to Bharat Mandapam and the kind of assistance that the AI will now do. Just look ahead and you will be able to see.
For toll gate.
This is a toll gate. The car, in fact, has now stopped. The automatic deduction of the payment with regards to the toll gate will now happen.
Journey.
You will now resume the journey. What you are seeing now? Fog. Just in case
Stop
there is
vehicle
fog.
detected by radar. Emergency braking activated.
This was the emergency braking that was being activated because there was fog that had descended while you were traveling. So this is something that AI assistance now is doing, and this is the kind of technology that we will see upcoming in the next few years. Automakers are now very keenly looking at it because this is assistant
Merging
driving.
into highway and switching to middle lane.
You are merging into the highway, switching into the middle lane. So that is something that the AI assist will actually do.
Slow-moving vehicle detected. Do you want to do the lane change?
Do you want to do the lane change? So this is the kind of prompt that AI will now be asking you.
Overtake
If you want to
based
do
on your
that,
approval.
if you just want to change the lanes, then that is
Emergency
something.
vehicle is oncoming.
Emergency
Switching the lane
vehicle
and
oncoming.
coordinating the information to the traffic ahead via V2X.
What you saw was an ambulance. This means that if there will be an ambulance while you're driving, then the assist will actually tell you that there is an ambulance. So those kind of things is exactly what we are looking at the moment. And this is a vehicle in which I'm sitting at the moment. What this is doing is helping you, making sure that your travel is safe, it is fast, and it is also making sure that in case there is a fog, in case there is an ambulance, then those kind of changes are being done. And this is the AI technology that we will see upcoming in many years. This is the AI Summit which is taking place in Bharat Mandapam. With camera person Alok Das, this is Aishwarya Paliwal reporting for India Today.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.